And, when he comes back to good clothes.
At the same time, 4,000 miles away, two birds are pecking a cat to death. Mysteries of stupid and weird facts.
No, look, no, sir, look over here,
Oh, well, I was coming in from the fields, and my cows was coming in with me, and one of them comes up and starts licking me right there on the arm. It was weird. I got it right there, down in this tube. I didn't know what to do, so I called Mysteries of Weird and Dumb Facts.
Michael McDonald, a 6-year-old from Nebraska, drew this picture of an alien he saw, and we have him in studio to have an interview with him.
He took me on his ship.
Michael,
Yeah.
tell us exactly what you saw.
I was doing that. He told me. He took me on his ship. He shaped like a television. Hey, I'm over here, mister. Put that heavy. And he had every G.I. Joe man I can think of. It had a big steering wheel. Hey, is that all you want me to, what else do you want me to say?
That's plenty, Michael.
Okay. That's the afforded.
Now you can order Mysteries of the Weird and Stupid Facts for only $19.95. No CODs, money orders, checks, credit cards, or cash. We do take Guam leaves. Send it to P.O. Box 186 Guam, Pacific Ocean, and greater than $45 shipping and savings and loan. I left 46 years.
You told me I could tell him about the free gift.
Just a second, Michael. 1-800 I am Jones.
The one tell him about the free. You didn't tell him.
1-800 123 4567.
Okay. The free gift is a card. If you order it within the next three. What's
Please hurry, Michael.
What's after 3? 3 minutes. You get. I don't know how to tell time. You can't tell.
You get a free comb.
Hey,
Thank you for ordering.
No, you get a free. I get to say. I want to say it's a free gift.
Thank
you get the toy. You get the comb.
Oh,
And get a nice green body. You go on the TV there, mister. You stupid.